Hello P-Rich patrons! Today we are going to learn how to make this gorgeous Bookpage pumpkin. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to find everything that you need for this craft. We got all of our supplies at the local Dollar Tree. You will also need Mod Podge. I'll link a homemade version if you don't have any in your home, brushes, paint, all of the stereotypical painting supplies. If you don't have book pages, the P-Rich Library has a ton of book pages that you can use. Give us a call. You will also need scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is take the stem out of your pumpkin and rip up all your book pages. You can also use newspaper clippings if you have any newspapers sitting around for this. And you want to coat the entire area in Mod Podge and then glue the strip of paper down. You want to give a good coating on both sides of the Mod Podge to make sure that it stays down. Alright, we're going to skip ahead until our pumpkin is dry. So the entire pumpkin is covered in paper. You may have to double coat it. And if you want to speed up the drying process, a hairdryer is your best friend. Next we're going to take the stem and beautify it. You can see that Nicoya and Alex are both covering their stems in paint. And the final step, of course, will be to add any embellishments that you see fit. You can make this more of a spooky pumpkin by adding spiders or skeletons, or you can do what Alex and Nicoya are doing and making it more of an autumn pumpkin by utilizing leaves and glittery stems in autumn colors.